Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing gear and a clear stylistic goal. This matters because the lens and outfit set the mood. Once set, switch to RAW and pick ISO 100-400 to preserve highlights. Make sure aperture matches desired depth of field. Then compose immediately. Use the rule of thirds and a 3-2 frame. Position your subject at a 45 degrees angle if relevant. Move in, test one exposure, and lock that basic setup so you can focus on creative adjustments next. You next manage light and motion because that defines style and sharpness. Start by positioning near a window or using a softbox. Add a reflector to fill shadows and a diffuser to soften harsh highlights. Once done, set shutter speed, 1/125 or faster for handheld clarity, slower if you want intentional blur. Pay attention to small posing cues and try varied angles, low, eye-level overhead, to discover flattering lines. Keep checking the histogram and tweak exposure compensation to preserve detail. You finish by reviewing images critically. Zoom to 100% for focus and skin tone accuracy, then mark the keepers. After that, apply a simple edit workflow. Correct white balance first, adjust exposure and contrast, then refine clarity and local retouch while preserving midtones. Once done, export variants for web and print. A high-res master plus 16, 9 and 1 crops. If colors or exposure look off, recheck white balance and retake one controlled frame with a gray card as a troubleshooting baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.